shouts, Cook, Cook, Cook. Ran to him. Yes, tea, Hangi. Tea, I'm going to office. Take care of yourself and Minnie too. Okay? Cook. You are going this early? Tea. I have the meeting with foreign clients, so I have to go early. I will try to come back early. I prepared your breakfast. First eat it. Then complete your assignments. Minnie is sleeping, so let him sleep as much as he wants. Otherwise, he won't let you do your assignments. Cook. But you know na how much Minnie he is. He won't listen to me. He is totally brat. T smiled. Why won't he listen to you? You are his young too. Cook. I'm his young only for namesake. He won't even call me young. T. Then make him realize that you are his young. He should obey you. Looked at his wristwatch. Now I have to go, otherwise I will be late. Ruffles his hairs and left. Cook to himself. Cookie, you have to prepare yourself and complete your all the work before that troublemaker will wake up. With that, he went to eat his breakfast peacefully because he knows after waking up Minnie, he can get everything in his life except peace. Time escaped after some times. Right now, Cook was completing his assignments by sitting in the living room. Minnie was still sleeping peacefully. It's 10 a.m. now. Suddenly, he heard a yelling. Screamed his lungs out, Cookie! Cook, this little devil wakes up. Let's see now what happened with him. Jimin screamed more loudly, Cookie! Are you listening to Minnie or not? Cook shouts back, Coming! He came to his room and saw Jimin was sitting on the bed while closing his eyes with a big angry pout. Cook went near him. What? Why are you shouting? I'm not deaf. Jimin looked at him with closed eyes. If you don't listen to Minnie, then Minnie will shout, nah. Cook, first lower your voice. I'm your hang. You can't shout on me. Jimin stubbornly. No, you aren't Minnie's Yangi. You are Cookie. Minnie has only one Yangi and that is Titi Yangi. Cook irritated. You called me here to say this? Jimin. No, Minnie called Cookie for important work. Cook. And what is your important work? Jimin. Take Minnie to washroom. Minnie wanna use washroom. Cook. Can't you go there by yourself? Jimin. No, Minnie doesn't wanna walk. Made grabby hands. Now take Minnie there. While closing his eyes. Cook. Why are you closing your eyes? Jimin. Minnie's eyes sticks. Cook mumbles. Minnie's eyes stick, but Minnie's mouth never sticks. Jimin. What did you say? Cook. Nothing. Picked him in his arms like a cola and went to washroom. Arthur. By the time these two come back, let me give you their introduction. Name Kim Taeyang, age 25 years, profession CEO at his own company, nature super strict and caring. Name Kim Jong-kook, age 22 years, profession final year university student, nature sometimes strict and super caring. Name Kim Jimin, age 20 years, nature cute, caring, troublemaker, always reeling and running here and there, never listen to anyone except Taeyang. In short, a complete spoiled brat. Their parents live in another city. T is handling their company. In the childhood, when Jimin was 5 years old, he slipped from the stairs. By God's grace, he survived, but he got several injuries in his head. Because of that, his age will increase, but his mental age will be 5 years lifelong. Being the youngest member of the family, he always gets lots of pampering by everyone, and because of this little space, everyone gave him special treatment. He never received any punishment. He only gets scoldings by T. Everyone treats him like a prince. He loves to irritate Cook a lot because T left for his work and Cook stays with him. He behaves like a good boy in front of T, but Cook knows his reality very well. He is apple of the eye of everyone. Jimin shouts from inside, Cookie, did you prepare Minnie's clothes? Cook shouts back, can't you wear without iron cloth? Jimin, no, Titi Angi always wear ironed clothes, so Minnie will also wear. Now quickly iron Minnie's clothes. Cook, because Tea Hangi has to go office, but where do you go? You have to stay at home. Jimin, Cookie, don't argue with Minnie. Minnie will complain to Titi Hangi about you that you aren't following Minnie's order. Cook, why do you think I will follow your orders? Jimin, because Minnie is the prince of family. Cook, if you are prince, then what I am? Jimin, you are Minnie's servant. Now move your hands fast. Minnie doesn't wanna late. Cook, late for what, my highness? Where do you go other than this home? Jimin, ah! Cook covered his ears by his both the hands. Sorry, your clothes are ready. Now you can come out. Jimin came outside by wearing bathrobe and looked at Cook with questionable eyes. Cook crossed arm. What's with his eyes? Jimin, what are you doing here? Go outside. Cook, but why? Jimin, Minnie wants to wear his clothes. Cook, then Minnie wears his clothes. When did I stop him? Jimin, Minnie can't wear it in front of Cookie. Trying to push Cook outside but couldn't move him an inch. Cook, why can't you wear in front of me? What do you have which I don't? Jimin, Minnie is the prince and Cookie is the servant. How can a prince wear his clothes in front of a servant? Now go. Cook, lay down on the bed. Now I won't go anywhere. Jimin, then Minnie will call Titi Angi. Wait, let Minnie call to Titi Angi and tell him that Cookie isn't listening to Minnie. Cook stood up. No, don't call him. He has the meeting with foreign clients. Don't disturb him. I'm going. Left. Time skipped after some times. Cook came to convenience store to buy this month's grocery. Tea forgot to buy it. As usual, Cook were bickering because Jimin didn't let Cook to do his work. Cook irritated. Minnie, why aren't you letting me do anything? Jimin innocently, Minnie is only helping Cookie. Cook calmed down himself. Minnie, if you wanna help me, then help me to find the things. I have to submit my assignments tomorrow and I haven't finished it yet. Jimin, okay, Minnie will help Cookie. Don't worry, we will go to home soon. Fighting. Cook smiled and ruffled his hairs. Fighting. Soon they both done with their shopping. Cook was filling the items and Jimin was roaming here and there. Just then he heard Jimin shouting and yelling voice. So he ran to him. He became super shocked to see Jimin. He saw Jimin was fighting with a boy. Cook shouts, Jimin! Jimin, Cookie, see, this boy is trying to snatch my cheese balls. Boy, no, it's mine. He snatched it from my hands. Ran to his mom. Oma, see, he took my cheese balls. Boy's mom, why did you snatch my son's cheese balls? Jimin, it's mine. Whatever Minnie wants, Minnie will get it. Boy's mom, then get yours. Now give it me. Jimin, no, it's Minnie's. Minnie won't give it to you. Cook, Minnie, give the cheese balls to her. We will get new one, okay? Jimin, no, Cookie. Minnie won't give it to anyone. That's final. Boy started crying. Mama. Boy's mom, baby, don't cry. We will get your cheese ball, okay? Jimin shouts, can't you understand that once it's Minnie's and Minnie won't give it to you? Boy's mom, what a mannerless boy you are. Didn't your parents teach you anything? Or they taught you this to shout on your elders and snatch others' things? Cook, Aunt, please, don't question on our parents' upbringing. They gave us only good values. Boy's mom looked at Jimin, who was glaring at her. Yeah, I can see their good values. Cook, you want cheese balls, right? Snatched the jar from Jimin's hand and gave it to her. Then keep it, but don't say bad about our parents. He held Jimin's hand and paid the bills and took the groceries bag and left from there with Winnie. Jimin, who doesn't want to go from there. He was shouting and glaring at that boy's mom. time skipped at home. Cook dragged Jim into their home. He was very angry because that lady questioned their parents' upbringing. On the other hand, Jimin's shouting added fuel in his anger. He tried to divert his mind, so he started ignoring him and arranging things on the center table. Jimin, more mad. Cookie, why did you give Minnie's cheese balls to that rude lady? Cook didn't say anything. Why aren't you saying anything now? Cook again didn't say anything. Oh, so now you will ignore Minnie? He kept shouting and yelling on him. Cook tried his best to calm down and didn't say him anything. He started arranging the things in the kitchen, but Jimin was super angry. He was roaming behind him. Jimin, why aren't you replying Minnie? Cook tried to get the soya sauce bottle, but Jimin snatched it. Cook coldly, give me the bottle. Jimin, no, Minnie won't give it to you. First answer Minnie's questions. Cook, Jimin, don't irritate me. Jimin threw the bottle on the center table. Now, will you listen to Minnie or not? Cook shouts, Jimin. Jimin, Minnie, M-I-N-N-I, Minnie. I'm Minnie, not Jimin. Can't you understand that once? Center table wasn't made of glass, so it didn't damage, but Cook's all the assignments got ruined. As he was doing assignments here, so he left it here. He checked his assignments and found all the pages were filled with soya sauce. His all the hard work got ruined. He angrily looked at Jimin. Cook slapped him harshly. I'm trying to ignore your misbehavior, but look like you are very desperate to get your punishment, huh? Jimin looked at him with teary eyes. Minnie will tell this to Titi Angi. Cook, I will tell him. What did he do today? Raised his hand to slap him, but he stopped to see his big fat tears. Jimin started crying. Titi Angi. Cook, today you crossed your all the limits. I won't leave you easily. Grabbed his arm and started dragging him. Jimin shouts, Titi Angi, save Minnie. Cook dragged him into the storeroom and locked him inside. Jimin was screaming and crying to leave him, but he didn't listen to him. Jimin banged the door. Cookie, open the door. Minnie is scared. Cook, why is Minnie scared now? Minnie didn't scare when he was talking back, when he broke the bottle of soya sauce, when he ruined my assignments. Cook, Minnie won't do this again. Now please open the door. Cook, no. Now stay inside until Tiangi comes. You started misbehaving. I can't forgive you. Jimin again banged the door. No, please don't go. Cookie. Cook didn't listen to him and went to living room to clean the mess which created by Jimin. Cook shouts, what should I do with him? Day by day he started behaving like brat. Tiangi, please come back soon. I can't control on my anger anymore. Looked at his assignments. All the assignments got ruined. My whole week's hard work vanished. Now what will I submit tomorrow? Sat on the couch while holding his head. What did you do, Minnie? Why did you ruin my hard work? What wrong I did with you? Why did you become this much stubborn? He closed his eyes and took a deep breath and tried to calm down himself first. After 15 minutes, he opened his eyes. He was feeling much better than before. He saw the living room, which was so messy. He stood up and went to bring the cleaning stuffs to clean the mess. After 30 minutes, he was done with cleaning. He remembered about Jimin and ran to open the door. He unlocked the door and saw Jimin was sitting at the corner while hiding his face in between his knees. He softly called him. Cook softly, Minnie? Jimin didn't respond him. Minnie? See, your cookie is here. Again didn't get any response. Are you angry, one? Minnie shook him a little. Finally, Jimin looked at him with bubbles lips and teary eyes. Cook's fingerprints were clearly visible on his face. Stayed. Cook's heart broke into a million of pieces. He tried to approach him, but Jimin ran to his room while crying hard. He didn't look at Cook. Time escaped in the evening. It's evening now. Jimin didn't come out from his room. He tried a lot to talk with him, but he didn't say a single word. He didn't even eat his food too. Cook prepared his favorite dishes, but he didn't even touch anything. Cook also didn't eat anything. Cook was sitting in the living room and trying to find the way to coax his angry bird. Just then, Jimin came there while holding lots of things in his tiny baby hands, and he started arranging them on the center table. Cook was looking at him with confused face. He couldn't understand anything. He tried to talk with him, but he went outside without looking at him. Cook, confused face. Belt, cloth hanger, cane, rope, sleeper, shoe, wooden ruler, broom, hairbrush. What's this? Why did he arrange these things here? He was trying to process just then Jimin came back there with something and put it on the center table. But before Cook can say anything to him, he went to kitchen. Cook, breaks and switches, bridges. Now what's this? He again left without listening me. Now why did he go to kitchen? Wait, let me check. T, I'm at home. T came back to home. He was expecting the warm welcome like he always got, but today he welcomed by the silence. He went near Cook, who was standing in front of the center table and looking at his stuffs and lost in his thinking. T put his hand on Cook's shoulder. Cookie? Cook flinched hard and screamed, Ah! T, it's me, your Titi Hangi. Relax, one. Cook looked at him and hugged him tightly. T Hangi, thank God you came back. T patted his back. Relax. Tell me what happened. Look at the center table. And what's this? Belt, cloth hanger, cane, rope, sleeper, shoe, wooden ruler, broom, hairbrush, brake, switches, bridges. What's this, Cook? Why did you arrange them here? Cook, I also don't know, Hyang. I was trying to process what's happening here. T, then who brought them here? Cook, But before he could say anything, Jimin came there with other stuffs and started arranging them. Cook gulped hard. Frying pan, rolling pin, spatula, spoon. T held Jimin's hand. Minnie, what's this, baby? Why are you arranging these things here? Jimin, with big angry pout. For him. Point on Cook. Cook, super shocked. For me? But what did I do? Jimin didn't reply. Hyang asked to him. He won't reply to me. He's behaving like this since the afternoon. T sat on the couch and pulled Jimin on his lap. Minnie, tell to Hyangi what happened. Why did you bring these things for Cookie? Jimin showed him a slapped cheek. This Minnie boy slapped Minnie and locked him in the storeroom for whole day, said with angry but shaky voice. Cook, what for whole day? Hyang, don't believe on him. I just locked him for 45 minutes. T angrily, what? Cook, Hyang, don't get mad. First listen to me. He did lots of mistakes. That's... Jimin put his head on his chest. Minnie's hungry, Hangi. Minnie didn't eat anything since the morning. T, more mad. What? He didn't give you anything to eat? Cook, no, Hang. I gave him food. In fact, I prepared his favorite dishes, but he denied to eat. Jimin, because he slapped me. Cook, why are you saying this again and again? Why didn't you tell him your mistake, huh? Jimin hugged him more tightly. Titi Yangi. T started stroking his back. It's okay. Now I'm here. He won't do anything with you. No need to scare. Cook, Hyang, he isn't scared. He is only acting in front of you. T, shut up and tell me what happened. Cook, you forget to buy groceries, so we went to buy it there. told him everything what happened there and at home too. How bratty he behaved, how he broke the soy sauce bottle, how he spoiled his assignments. He told him everything without hiding anything. Yang, she was questioning about her parents' upbringing. I tried to control on my anger, but he didn't stop shouting, so I slapped him. T, listen everything patiently. Minnie, you shouldn't do this. Jimin, that was my cheese balls which he gave to that rude lady. T, baby, now listen to me very carefully, okay? Hyangi will buy you lots of cheese balls and you know that, right? Jimin nodded his head focusly. Yes. T, we never say no for anything. We always fulfill your all the wishes. Then why did you become greedy for that cheese balls? You can buy it by another shop, right? Jimin nodded his head. Right. T. How will you feel when anyone say bad about your hands? Jimin, Minnie will feel bad. T. But today you behave like a bad boy. Your behavior showed that we didn't teach you any manners. You shouldn't fight. It's very wrong. And you shouted on your cookie Hangi too. You wasted the food by breaking the soy sauce bottle. You ruined Cook's assignment which he was completing since 1 week. It's wrong, na? Jimin nodded his head vigorously. Yes. Yangi held his ears by his hands. Minnie, surely Yangi, Minnie will never repeat this again. Teen ruffles his hairs. It's okay, baby. Jimin looked at him, but he punished Minnie. Now Titi Yangi should also punish him. You are right, baby. He deserves punishment too. Jimin, Titi Yangi, spank him. Minnie brought all the things. Spank him by this. Cook, eyes widened. What? You brought this for spanking? Jimin nodded his head vigorously. Yes. Okay, I will punish him. Now go and get back these things again from where you brought this. Jimin happily. What? Left. T looked at Cook. Cook, sit here. Patted next to him. Cook, sit beside him. Yes, Hyang. T, Cookie, you didn't do anything wrong to slap him. He did mistake and you slapped him, but you shouldn't lock him inside the storeroom. You know na, he is in little space. What if he hurt himself then? You know na, what happened in childhood and what did doctor say? Cook, doctor said we have to take care of him. He shouldn't pressurize his brain. He shouldn't do anything which causes mental health. T, right. See, you remember everything. I know how stubborn he is, but if you talk with him patiently, then he will listen to you. Cook, sorry, Hang. I will never do this again. T, I know this, Cookie. Now don't be sad, okay? Jimin ran to him. Titi Hangi, did you scold him? T, now let's go outside and you Cook, go to the corner and stand there while holding your ears until we come back. Left. Time skipped after some time. Women came back and saw Cook was standing at the corner while holding his ears. Like he instructed to him, T put the bags on the center table and Jimin went to him and hugged him tightly. Jimin hugged him tightly. Cookie, your punishment is over. Held his ears. Minnie, surely. Cook smiled. Cookie is also sorry, Minnie. T, come here and eat something. After that, we have to complete your assignments too. They all happily ate their food and after that, women helped Cook to complete his assignments. Pampering is good, but make sure it won't become the reason of spoiling your kids or loved ones. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. It was birthday request. I changed the whole storyline without changing the topic. I hope I didn't disappoint you. Pampering is good, but make sure it won't become the reason of spoiling. Don't forget to tell me how's our naughty and bratty Minnie. Happy Mother's Day. We will meet soon with June's one shot. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.